I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This afternoon I want to share with you out of the book of Matthew chapter 21 and verse 21. Jesus is speaking here. Jesus answered and said to them, "Surely I say to you, have faith. If you have faith and do not doubt, you will not only do what was done to the fig tree, but also if you say to this mountain, be removed and be cast into the sea, it will be done." My brother and my sister, this is when Jesus cursed the fig tree. And Jesus said, if you have faith and do not doubt. My brother, my sister, when we speak to our situation, when we speak to our mountain, when we speak to our giants and storms that we are facing in our life, Jesus says, if you have faith and do not doubt. My brother, my sister, when we speak to something, we mustn't doubt. We need to believe. He says, if you have faith and do not doubt, you will not only do what was done to the fig tree, but also, if you say to the mountain, be removed and be cast into the sea, it will be done. If you are not going to doubt, my brother, my sister, then it will be done whatever you say. Whatever you speak, my brother, my sister, it will be done. It says in Mark chapter 11 and verse 20, let's start from verse 22. So Jesus answered and said to them, have faith in God. Verse 23, for surely I say to you, whoever says to this mountain, be removed and be cast into the sea, and does not doubt in his heart, but believes that those things he says will be done, he will have whatever he says. My brother, my sister, here is the key word. Do not doubt. Don't doubt when you speak to your situation. Do not doubt when you speak to your mountain. Whatever mountain you are facing in your life today, my brother, my sister, don't doubt when you speak to it. Don't doubt, my brother, my sister, because the word of God says in the book of James chapter 1 and verse 6, but let him ask in faith with no doubting. For he who doubts is like a wave of the sea, driven and tossed by the wind. My brother, my sister, don't doubt. Jesus says, have faith. If you have faith, my brother, my sister, and do not doubt, when you speak to your mountain, it will be done, whatever you say. My brother, my sister, let us have faith, what we speak, and let us not doubt in our heart.